Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Ultra, a nugget ice maker built for people who genuinely love chewable pellet ice. Let's break down what it offers. This machine produces what's commonly called the good ice, soft, chewable nugget ice that's ready fast and cools drinks quickly, genuinely satisfying if you're someone who enjoys snacking on ice rather than dealing with hard cubes. One practical upgrade on this Ultra version is the large capacity water tank, producing 3 times more ice at a time compared to earlier Opal models, meaning you're refilling the reservoir far less frequently, a real convenience if you're using this regularly for entertaining or daily use. Maintenance is also simplified with an advanced cleaning system. Used regularly, it helps sanitize and descale the machine automatically, keeping the ice tasting fresh and the machine performing consistently, without you having to manually scrub components. Control happens through a sleek touch display that lets you power the machine on and off, check its status, start a cleaning cycle, or connect to Wi-Fi. The display even darkens when not in use, keeping it visually clean and unobtrusive in any kitchen. Production speed is genuinely fast. You'll get your first batch of ice in 10 minutes or less, with the machine producing about 1.6 pounds of ice per hour, or up to 38 pounds per day under standard conditions. Worth noting that output figure is temperature dependent. At higher ambient and water temperatures, output drops to about 32 pounds per day, according to DOE testing standards. This unit also includes a scale-inhibiting filter to help protect the machine's internals over time, along with a scoop for easy serving straight out of the box. Overall, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Ultra combines fast, high-volume nugget ice production, smart Wi-Fi connectivity, and low-maintenance automated cleaning, making it a strong choice if you want consistently good ice without constant upkeep. I'll leave a link to this ice maker in the description below if you want to check current pricing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next review.